Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, I have an exciting opportunity to share with you all. Let me introduce you to DITTO professional translators and content writers. They are a bespoke translation agency known for delivering outstanding written and translated content globally. Now, let's dive into the details of how you can apply for online linguist jobs with DITTO. The first step is to visit their website and navigate to the translation job section. You'll find all the information you need to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.